Wait, have you ever bought a car accessory that promised everything but barely made a difference? You're not the only one. That's why we decided to test why these 13 insane car gadgets are making drivers ditch old accessories. We ordered them from Amazon and put each one through honest, real-world testing. Some completely changed the way we use our cars. Some were surprisingly practical. Others were disappointing and not worth the money at all. Before you spend your hard-earned cash, keep watching to see which gadgets actually live up to the hype. C1 Dual-Mode HUD Display. The C1 Dual-Mode HUD Display is a revolutionary gadget that transforms your driving safety and convenience. This heads-up display projects essential driving information directly onto your windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while accessing crucial data. You'll see speed, navigation directions, and incoming calls without looking away from traffic. The dual-mode functionality lets you switch between different information displays depending on your driving needs. The installation is surprisingly simple. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and mounts securely on your dashboard. The brightness automatically adjusts based on ambient light conditions, ensuring visibility in both day and night driving. The image quality is crystal clear and doesn't obstruct your view. I've been using this for several weeks and genuinely appreciate how it keeps me informed without distraction. The battery life is impressive through multiple driving sessions. Miracase Car Phone Holder. The Miracase Car Phone Holder is an absolute essential for anyone who uses GPS navigation or takes calls while driving. This device securely grips your phone with one hand using a unique gravity locking mechanism that automatically holds your device once placed. The adjustable arms accommodate phones of various sizes, from compact models to larger phablets without any issues. The suction cup mount attaches firmly to your windshield or dashboard, providing stable support even on bumpy roads. What I appreciate most is how easy it is to mount and remove your phone. Just place it and gravity does the work. The build quality feels premium with reinforced materials that won't damage your phone's finish. The rotation capability allows you to switch between portrait and landscape orientations instantly. The installation takes literally seconds without any tools required. The stability is excellent during aggressive driving maneuvers. Swift Snap Magnetic Car Mount. The Swift Snap Magnetic Car Mount offers the fastest phone mounting solution I've ever tested. This ingenious device uses powerful magnets to securely hold your phone in place the moment you snap it on. The magnetic strength is incredibly strong. Your phone stays perfectly positioned even on rough terrain and during sharp turns. Installation is straightforward. Simply attach the small metal plate to your phone or case and mount the magnetic holder on your dashboard or air vent. The 360-degree rotation capability lets you position your phone at any angle you prefer for optimal viewing. The design is minimalist and sleek, complementing any car interior beautifully without looking bulky or obtrusive. The magnets are strong, yet gentle enough to never damage your phone or case. One-handed operation means you can mount your phone while driving safely. The build quality is outstanding with premium metal construction. Zeyitian Polarized Visor Extender. The Zeyitian Polarized Visor Extender is a brilliant solution for drivers struggling with sun glare during bright daylight driving. This supplementary visor extends your car's existing sun visor, providing additional coverage to block harsh sunlight from multiple angles. The polarized lens technology significantly reduces glare while maintaining clear visibility through the windshield. The adjustable design accommodates various dashboard heights and windshield angles without requiring permanent installation or modifications. The lightweight construction means it won't obstruct your view or create safety concerns. The clip mechanism is secure and reliable, holding firmly even during extended use. Installation takes seconds. Just position it and clip it into place. The polarized coating reduces eye strain during long drives, making extended trips more comfortable. I've tested this in intense sunlight conditions, and the glare reduction is genuinely noticeable. The build quality suggests this will last through multiple seasons of use. WinDu Tesla Hidden Storage Tray. The WinDu Tesla Hidden Storage Tray is specifically engineered to maximize storage space in Tesla vehicles while maintaining clean aesthetics. This cleverly designed tray fits seamlessly under the center console, creating discrete hidden storage for valuables, documents, or frequently needed items. The design perfectly integrates with Tesla's premium interior without appearing out of place or requiring modifications. The storage capacity is surprisingly generous for something so discreet and compact. The durable materials withstand daily use and temperature fluctuations common in vehicles. The installation is straightforward for Tesla owners familiar with their vehicle's interior layout. The tray keeps items organized and easily accessible while remaining completely hidden from view. I appreciate how it preserves the minimalist aesthetic Tesla is renowned for while adding functionality. The construction quality matches Tesla's premium standards excellently, perfect for Tesla owners. CERAKOTE Interior Protectant Spray. The CERAKOTE Interior Protectant Spray is genuinely a game changer for maintaining your car's interior surfaces in pristine condition. This professional-grade protectant creates a protective barrier on leather, vinyl, plastic, and other interior materials effectively. The formula shields against UV rays that cause fading and cracking while repelling dust and dirt accumulation. Application is simple, sprayed evenly across surfaces, and buffed with a microfiber cloth for a beautiful shine. The protection lasts through multiple cleanings, providing excellent long-term value from one application. The non-greasy formula means your dashboard and seats won't feel slippery or uncomfortable. The pleasant scent leaves your car's interior smelling fresh and clean. Results are immediately visible, with surfaces taking on a rejuvenated appearance. I've used this on multiple interior surfaces with consistently excellent results. The durability is impressive, maintaining protection through months of use.
Outerman Car Battery Charger. The Outerman Car Battery Charger is an essential safety tool every vehicle owner should keep accessible. This portable charger provides emergency jump-starting capability without requiring another vehicle or external power source. The compact size makes it easy to store in your trunk or under a seat without taking up significant space. The powerful battery delivers sufficient current to start most vehicles reliably, even in extremely cold conditions. The included cables are durable and rated for heavy-duty use without degradation. The smart charging technology prevents damage to your vehicle's electrical system through advanced built-in safety features. The design is intuitive, with clear status indicators showing battery level and progress accurately. One-handed operation makes emergency starting quick when you need it most. The fast charging capability recharges quickly between uses. The safety features are comprehensive, protecting against reverse polarity automatically. BAMACAR Naturnest Rooftop Tent. The BAMACAR Naturnest Rooftop Tent transforms your vehicle into a complete mobile camping solution instantly. This premium tent mounts securely to your vehicle's roof rack, providing comfortable sleeping space while maintaining ground clearance. The setup is remarkably quick. The tent unfolds and establishes a sleeping area in just minutes. The weatherproof construction uses premium materials that withstand rain, wind, and temperature extremes reliably. The interior space is surprisingly spacious, comfortably accommodating 2 adults with additional room for gear. The latter provides safe, stable access without requiring additional vehicles or equipment. The ventilation system prevents condensation buildup, keeping the interior comfortable and dry throughout the night. The durable canvas material lasts through multiple seasons without degradation. The design is aerodynamic, minimizing wind resistance while driving to destinations. I've tested this in various weather conditions with excellent results.
EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Desk. The EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Desk is perfect for professionals spending significant time in vehicles conducting work or managing business. This multifunctional desk provides a stable work surface, accommodating laptops, tablets, and documents securely without shifting. The innovative design includes cup holders, storage compartments, and organizational pockets for supplies and essentials. The construction is sturdy enough to support substantial weight without wobbling or shifting during active use. The setup requires minimal assembly and attaches securely to your vehicle without permanent modifications. The portability is excellent. Move this desk between vehicles or remove it completely when not needed. The material is premium quality, designed to withstand daily use and frequent repositioning without degrading. The work surface is spacious enough for productive sessions without feeling cramped. I've used this for extended work and genuinely appreciate the organization and stability. The design aesthetic is professional throughout. TURNART Universal Wheel Lock. The TURNART Universal Wheel Lock is an absolutely essential security device for protecting your vehicle from theft and unauthorized movement. This heavy-duty lock clamps securely onto your steering wheel, making it physically impossible to steer even if thieves gain entry. The installation is straightforward. Position the lock and secure it firmly until hearing an audible click. The construction uses hardened steel, resistant to cutting tools and braking force attacks. The design is visible from outside your vehicle, serving as an incredibly effective deterrent against theft attempts. The locking mechanism is sophisticated, requiring specific keys for release while appearing simple from outside. The weight provides security without making the lock unwieldy or difficult to install and remove. I appreciate the peace of mind this lock provides, especially when parking overnight or in unfamiliar areas. The quality construction ensures reliable protection. The visibility discourages thieves effectively. Givifive 3-in-1 Seat Gap Filler. The Givifive 3-in-1 Seat Gap Filler is a clever solution for retrieving items constantly falling between your seats. This expandable filler bridges the gap between your seat and center console, creating a continuous surface preventing items from falling through.
The flexible design accommodates various seat configurations and gap sizes without requiring custom fitting or modifications. The installation is simple. Expand the filler and position it in the gap until snug and secure. The durable construction withstands repeated use without degrading or losing tension over time. The neutral color design blends seamlessly with most vehicle interiors without appearing out of place. The material is easy to clean. Wipe with a damp cloth to remove dust or debris. I've tested this in multiple vehicles with excellent results preventing lost items. The design is unobtrusive, not interfering with seat operation or comfort. The 3-panel construction allows partial expansion. Nilight Digital Air Inflator Gauge. The Nilight Digital Air Inflator Gauge combines tire inflation with accurate pressure monitor and inline convenient device. This cordless inflator operates using your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet, delivering sufficient air pressure to inflate most tires independently. The digital display shows exact tire pressure in real time, eliminating guesswork about proper inflation levels. The automatic shutoff prevents overinflation, protecting your tires from damage caused by excess pressure. The included nozzle adapters fit various valve types without requiring additional equipment or purchases. The cordless operation provides freedom to position the gauge optimally while inflating without cable constraints. The battery lasts through multiple tire inflation sessions before requiring recharge. The compact design stores easily in your vehicle without consuming trunk space. The construction feels durable and professional grade for consumer use. I've used this on various tire types with consistent, reliable performance throughout.
Car tire pressure indicator caps. The car tire pressure indicator caps are simple yet incredibly effective for monitoring tire pressure at a glance. These clever caps screw onto your tire valve stems and change color based on pressure levels automatically. When tires are properly inflated, caps display green indicating optimal pressure conditions. If pressure drops below safe levels, caps turn yellow as a warning, then red if dangerously low. The color-coded system is intuitive and requires no batteries, digital displays, or complex technology. The installation is straightforward. Unscrew existing caps and replace with these indicator caps. The durable materials withstand weather exposure and temperature fluctuations without degrading significantly. The visual notification system catches your attention during routine vehicle inspections. I appreciate how these caps make tire maintenance effortless without special equipment. The cost is extremely affordable compared to digital gauges, perfect for responsible vehicle owners.
There you have it. 13 absolutely insane car gadgets that seriously upgrade your driving experience. Each product I've reviewed today delivers genuine value, quality, and functionality that makes every journey better and more enjoyable. From safety enhancements to organizational solutions and advanced security features, these Amazon finds are absolutely worth considering for your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss future reviews. Drop a comment below letting me know which gadget excites you most. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next